Hugging Face's new Reachy Mini robot. Open sourced AI you can build at home. Say hello to Reachy Mini, the newest open source robot from Hugging Face and Pollen Robotics. Standing just 11 inches tall and weighing only 1.5 kilos, it's compact, expressive and ready to bring AI life, literally. After acquiring Pollen Robotics in April 2025, Hugging Face set out to combine the powerful AI tools with real-world robotics. Reachy Mini is the first result. Designed for enthusiasts, educators and researchers who want to explore human-robot interaction, creative coding and embodied AI. It features a motorized head and torso, expressive antennas and built-in cameras, mics and speakers, giving it a full audio-visual sensing capability. In other words, it's small but smart. Reachy Mini comes in two versions, both as DIY kits. So yes, you build it yourself, but don't worry, it's more rewarding than frustrating. At launch, it sports over 15 robot behaviors and is fully programmable in Python and JavaScript, and Scratch is on the way. Thanks to Hugging Face's integration, you can tap into state-of-the-art open source models for speech, vision and personality, making this one of the most accessible AI platforms on the market. The light version ships late summer 2025 and the more powerful compute version follows in batches through 2026. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.